Hi and welcome. In my last video, I introduced you the entrance hall, how we design the entrance hall. This entrance hall was situated in an average home, not so big, not so small. It has the special room for wardrobe. And now I want to share with you some design ideas, how you can make your project faster, what to check, some ready-to-make layout idea. In this case, maybe we don't have so much space into the property, so we cannot put a wardrobe in the separate room. So I recommend to put this wardrobe close to the entrance door, not in front of the door, and make it from the floor to the ceiling. Don't forget to put the mirror. It's a good idea to put here. And I recommend also at least to let here 60 to 65 centimeter space into this wardrobe. In this another case, also we maybe don't have so much space, but we still can put the wardrobe into the separate room. It's good. But in this case, we have also the restroom, toilet with a small basin. Usually the clients prefer to put this restroom to the exterior wall to put there a window, but be very careful, because when you are entering the home, you are entering from exterior or from the garage. You are passing through this entrance hall to the wardrobe, and you may be sitting here and changing shoes. So this part of the entrance hall, we can call it like dirty zone. But if you want to enter the restroom, toilet, it's usually accessible from interior side home. So make sure that you don't cross the dirty zone in this entrance hall. That's the reason I recommend put toilet not with a window here, but rather in this position. We have a lot of opportunities to put the air ventilation, etc. So it's no problem to make the fresh air in this space very fast. In this case, I want to create the bigger, more luxurious, more open entrance hall. So I use these windows with entrance door. Make sure that if you have a lot of windows, it can be very easily broken by cars. So I let cars enter the garage from the another side. Another type of entrance hall is a bigger, lighter entrance hall, where I recommend to put the more windows from the floor to the ceiling, but be careful to the cars. I recommend to put cars on the one side, for example, entrance to the garage, the driveway, and this side where we have a lot of windows, glass, better without any movement of cars. Also, the second case is very similar. We have a long wall because we have also some interior spaces here, and the cars are entering the garage this way. Okay, don't forget to put above the entrance door some roof. Always very convenient where you are entering or someone is waiting to you when you open the door and welcome your guests if they can wait under the roof. Sometimes you don't have a lot of space, so the entrance hall is very small, but I recommend at least to put here 2 meters. We always need some wardrobe, so put it here, not so close to the entrance door, because also you have the dirty zone, etc. So better to put the shoes here and change here at this wardrobe and enter the home. In this case, we have a little bit wider entrance hall, and directly in front of the entrance door, here is wardrobe. So it can be a little bit dangerous, but in terms of design, but I recommend to put some furniture, shelves with arts, with keys, with everything to make this wardrobe more like a furniture, less than equipment have to have in your property. If still missing some space, you can put another wardrobe behind the door, something for sitting, some small table. This is for shoes and sitting, where you can change the shoes, and then you can enter to the rest home. So I hope that you can use these ideas to make your project faster, to make decision faster, and improve your project. Ciao.